All right, welcome to the training on integrations and custom CRM options with Easy Rate Sheet. Let me go over a little bit at a high level the integration options that are available, and then we'll talk about the CRM solutions as well. So first of all, if you have a tech team or experience yourself, you can do your own integrations with Easy Rate Sheet. So if you already have a loan origination software or a CRM or something else that you want to integrate into Easy Rate Sheet, you can do that on your own. We've got documentation. I'll show you where to find that. That can kind of help you with that process. If you don't have a team or you're not confident doing that on your own, but you do have a CRM and you do have some other system that you want to integrate with, we can help you with that. We would have to do a discovery process with you first to find out what it is you're needing, wanting, what systems you're working with, but then we could help you with that. What we have in place right now, sending data from external sources into Easy Rate Sheet, is webhooks. You can set the webhooks up on your own. I'll show you where inside of Easy Rate Sheet. So some common use cases for that would be form builders like Typeform, Jotform, things like that, other CRMs, anything you might connect through Zapier. So that's a pretty easy way to get data into Easy Rate Sheet. If you want to send information with our API up, if you want drag and drop type format for creating those integrations. And I'll show you where to menu, and then you go down to settings. You'll see here in the middle this integrations option. So webhooks, again, that's how you send information into Easy Rate Sheet. And then the REST API, that's how you send information from Easy Rate Sheet out to whatever systems you want to get that information into. So both are pretty similar. If you click on either one, what you'll see is a tool. And on both those pages, if you know how to do this and you've done it before, then this will be fairly straightforward. But if it's fairly new to you, then I recommend going to the help and support page, and you'll find some articles on the webhooks and articles on the REST API that help you to understand what's available, what's not available, and how to use it to connect to your other systems. And then again, if you would like our help, we can help you with that. The other thing that we do is we build custom CRM solutions using GHL. So if you don't have a CRM, but you would like to add that to your tech stack, we can build you a custom CRM that provides full CRM capabilities, opportunity management, contact management, work integrated communication platform that brings everything into one inbox. So text message, email, phone, Facebook, for each of those types of communication, single inbox that you and your team can work out of. The other things available in our custom build out, if you're interested, are it's built on GHL if you're familiar with Go High Level. Then you also get forms and surveys, integrated AI chatbot on whatever page you want to put it on, email marketing management capabilities, chatbots, document management, product and payment management solutions, paid advertising management capabilities, and then even separate done for you paid advertising management services if you'd be interested in having somebody else handle those things for you. So again, we build all of that in RiseHub, which is built on GHL Go High Level if you're familiar with that. This here is the CRM capabilities we build for lenders. We build basically what we call a new deal pipeline with all of the automations that you would need to kind of manage or rather support, I should say, the sales process. So new leads will come into the new lead stage, and automated messages will encourage those leads to either book a call or submit information on their deal so that you can prepare a term sheet. But the system kind of supports you in moving your prospects through the sales process toward getting a loan from you, toward getting funded. And all of this is integrated already for you inside of Easy Rate Sheet. So you can log in. Let me just move this out of the way here. You can log directly and do that either through some other form that you have, or they can do it through RiseHub, or they can do Truth for everything. and then it tracks those deals through the process automatically. It'll automatically move to term sheet sent. It'll be able to see that you sent that in easy rate sheet. It'll move it to app signed in underwriting and processing, and it'll notify you. So the whole thing is pretty streamlined, pretty straightforward. But if you're interested, I'd love to talk to you about more about this. I don't want to spend too much of our time in this training video on that. Just wanted to mention that it's available if you need a kind of full functioning CRM that helps to automate some of your marketing and sales efforts. So the last thing that I'll mention before wrapping up this call is that if you would like more information about getting a custom CRM built for your business, you can book a consultation call by visiting this URL here, or you can scan this QR code and you can learn more about how quickly we can do the build outs for you, unless you have a lot of customizations that you want to make, right? It's a low cost build out option. You have full ownership of your account, so you can make edits and changes anytime you like, and it's fully customizable. So if you don't want just the features that come in the solution that we build for our clients, then you can add, remove, subtract, edit, whatever you want to that. So stack you already have, and how we can help you do that if you need help. All right, take care.